Hey guys, so in today's video, I am showing you some secret tips that I use in my hair care routine as well as my go-to hair products. So this is the beginning of a new series that I'm calling on my channel called Hairstyles and Tips. I bleach and lighten my hair a lot, so I use a lot of hydrating masks and just a lot of really great products that are both affordable and high-end. I have had a lot of questions from you guys asking to do like hairstyling videos and how I style my hair. So I am doing this series for my subscribers. This is for you guys. There will be future videos giving you a step-by-step process on how I get a lot of the hairstyles that I wear and love all the time. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload those videos. I will have all the products mentioned in this video linked in the description box below in case you want to purchase any of these. You guys asked, and so I'm doing this video for you. I really hope you enjoy. Give it a thumbs up and let's get started. The first thing that I want to discuss is dry shampoo. I have oily hair, so I was able to reduce the amount of oil that I produce in my scalp by washing my hair every other day, then every 2 days, and then every 3 days by adding a dry shampoo to suck up the extra oil. So right now I can wash my hair 4 to 5 days without it looking oily. The dry shampoo that I recommend to those of you who have oily hair is first the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. This shampoo will get rid of oil. I do like that powdery residue in my hair just because it blends in with my blonde and even makes it look brighter sometimes. So personally, that does not bother me, but if you have darker hair, you probably won't like this. If you do have darker hair, you still could get away with this. You just have to take more time to really rub this into your hair. Two affordable dry shampoos that I have been going to recently have been the Batiste Tropical Shampoo and the Batiste Dry Shampoo Plus Blonde. This one is around $9 and this one is around $8. Both of these are so great. I love this brand. And I really am beginning to turn towards these more because they're so affordable and they really do the same thing. These will suck up your oil and they will get rid of it. This one sometimes leaves a little bit of a yellow tint in my hair, but I don't mind it so much if I'm going for that look. But it really does make my hair feel fresh and clean, and the scent of this one is heavenly. And y'all know I'm going to be turning to this one more because summer is coming, so you know what would be great is if Sol de Janeiro would come up with a dry shampoo with that tropical scent that they have. That would be amazing. Let's talk about shampoo and hair masks. When I wash my hair, I use my Verb volumizing shampoo. I got this from Sephora like 2 years ago and I still have this much left. So I add a drop of purple shampoo into my volumizing shampoo to tone my hair and make sure that I keep that really bright blonde color. I have been using this combination in my hair for a long time and it has really made a difference in how long my hair color lasts. After I shampoo, I use a hair mask. I don't really bother with the conditioners because I want to get the most out of my hair products and I go straight to a hair mask. I want as much intense moisturizing as I can get. My hairdresser recommended to me the Kevin Aquan Hydrate Me Mask. This was in one of my favorites videos because it has currently replaced my Olaplex. My hair and color specialist told me that Olaplex is pure protein, so if you don't add a hydrating, moisturizing mask or conditioner to your hair to balance that protein, you will end up losing some hair. So I kind of pulled away from using the Olaplex so much because I didn't want that to happen to me. But I do get Olaplex when I go in to touch up my hair just because it's a bond builder and it's meant to protect and strengthen your hair. It's just good to make sure that you balance it with a hydrating mask or conditioner, but otherwise I have just been sticking to this hair mask to get that hydration that my hair needs. I will let this sit in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes and then I will rinse it out really well and then towel dry my hair. So I do have several masks that I'd like to recommend to you guys because I have tried all of these in the past. One of them being the IGK Mistress Anti-Freeze Leave-In Conditioner. The scent is amazing. That was really loud. Sometimes I will use this as a leave-in conditioner in my hair, but this is a really good conditioner or hydrating mask to put in your hair, and it's a leave-in mask, so you don't have to worry about washing this out or anything. I love using this in the summertime because it's really good at getting rid of that frizzy hair situation that nobody likes. Another one that I ran out of, but I have mentioned in several videos, is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. That mask is so good. I've just been falling back onto this Kevin Murphy at the moment. Another mask that I would recommend to those of you who may have dry hair is the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. That mask is amazing at restoring that moisture and deep hydration to your hair. So if you're looking for another option as far as hair masks are concerned, definitely check those out. Before I blow dry my hair using this ion blow dryer, I will go in with a hair detangler. Currently I'm using the Unite 7 seconds detangler. This is so good. It smells amazing, like every single hair product that I own. This is like a leave-in conditioner, and I honestly get as much moisturizing products as I can get since I really destroy my hair by bleaching it blonde. Bless my hair. This has just been my go-to detangler at the moment. I have used the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In treatment for blondes. I use this a lot in the summertime when I used to not lighten my hair, and the sun would lighten it. So if you want to lighten your hair naturally, this would be a good one to turn to. So after I blow dry my hair, I will put oil in my hair to get that really pretty shine. My go-to hair oil right now is the Moroccan oil treatment. This feels so good on the hair. It makes it really soft, and it's very good for your hair. Another oil that I would suggest to you guys is the Paul Mitchell smoothing oil. Smells like apples. As far as just like a light oil to just add some moisture, I would go for the Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. If you're wanting a more hydrating heavy oil, I would go for the Moroccan oil. And I have noticed that since I have not been so lazy in my hair routine, I have been having less split ends. I've been seeing healthier hair, even though I do a crazy lot to my hair. So let's talk about volume and how to get heatless waves. So I can get crazy volume in my hair by using a few different products. In order to get a volumized hair look without using heat, I will spray on the Wave Spray, and then I will top it off with the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And guys, I've talked about this in the past, but this can give you volume. If you don't have much volume in your hair, you need this in your life. I just find that this is a really great combination if you don't want to take the trouble to actually style your hair. This will add to the natural texture in your hair and just capture it, and then this will give you the volume that you want. I live near the beach, so if I decide to go on the boardwalk or go for a walk near the beach, I will spray on a couple different varieties of sea sprays if I decide to get a really pretty beachy wave. I will either use the Verb Sea Spray, which is really pretty. I find that this works really well with that salt air. And then I have the Riviera Mare Mediterranean Sea Mist. This is really good for beach texture. You could also use the Wave Spray as well. That one works really well on the beach too. But I personally like to use the Verb Sea Spray. I find that this works really well out on the beach. So I will more than likely turn to this sea spray to get a really pretty beachy volumized hair look. Another one that I would recommend to you guys is the IGK Club Beach Spray. That one is really good as well. I don't currently have that one right now, but I have used it in the past and I really love that one. Also the Surf Foam Spray, if you want volume, this will give you volume, but it also will give you a little bit of that texture. So this is a good one if you want to get more of a volume focus in your hair. So let's talk about curling iron waves and hair oils and sprays that I use. A lot of the time I will turn to a wand or a curling iron to get the waves that I'm looking for. If I am going for one of these looks, I will use a heat protectant. I always use a heat protectant before putting heat on my hair. My current go-to for heat protectant is the Tresemme Repair and Protect. It has biotin in it and it does a good job of protecting my hair from heat. A lot of times I will use the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is a heat UV protective primer. I will use this a lot more in the summer because this protects you from the sun as well. And with my bleached hair, it's important to make sure that I protect my hair. One more that I would really recommend to you guys that is so good is the Regis Hot Stop Thermal Protector. I like this because it's a aerosol can and it just diffuses the product very well over your hair. It smells pretty good too. It's kind of a chemically smell, but it does a good job of protecting my hair, and I'm almost out of this, so I need to get another one. So after I use a heat protectant in my hair, I will put on this Kevin Murphy Shimmer Me Blonde repairing treatment. The great thing about this is that it's not only a repairing treatment, but it also tones your hair as well. So this stuff is amazing. It also has like the little tiniest little glitters in it, and it's just, I love this. In today's hair look, I use this Hot Tools curling wand to get that really pretty beachy wave. All of my curling irons are from Hot Tools. I just really like that brand for some reason. I found them to be very efficient. If I want very, very loose waves, I will go for this Hot Tools. I think it's like an inch barrel, but it has a clamp and everything. A lot of times I don't use these clamps. I will just wrap my hair around the barrel. But you will be seeing me in future tutorials using both of these curling irons. And to get those tight ringlet curls, I like to use this Hot Tools very, very skinny curling iron. It also has the clamp, which I never use. Once I've gotten the waves that I've wanted, I will let my hair sit for 5 to 10 minutes so that that curl can lock. And then I will go in to set that wave with a hairspray. The one that I'm currently using is the Sebastian Shaper. It just does a good job of fighting back humidity and frizz. It really holds my hairstyles in place. And if I'm wanting to get a really pretty shine with my look, I'll go in with my Moroccan oil or my Shimmer Me spray to get like a really pretty shine. These oils also add moisture and shine when I do heat styles on my hair, so they're just a good way to put that moisture back into my hair. I am trying to branch out into different oils that I put in my hair, so if you guys have found a really good oil that you would recommend to me, please let me know, because I'm looking for a really good hair oil. Anyway guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I had so many products, so many tips, so many recommendations in this video, so I really hope that you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.